Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can catch the Pyrafruit Relic in Fish Its. So the Pyrafruit Relics is one of the materials you need to create charms in the latest Fish It update. And in here, I'm going to show you how you can get it. As you guys can see, if you want to create the Oculus charms and also the Anchor charms, you need to have Pyrafruit Relic as the material. And in here, the Pyrafruit Relics you can get the Pyrafruit Relic by fishing it up, and this is my exact location where I get it. So I think the Pyrafruit Relic is one of the hardest to catch, and here is the location. You need to fish near this barrel. So this is where I got the Pyrafruit, and I'm using Element Road with Singularity bait. So that's how you can get the Pyrafruit Relics in Fish It. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks.